Hey guys, it's Marissa from Kreitz Customs with another Kreitz Customs build. Here beside me I have a 2017 Ford F-250SD Lariat, and we're going to take a look at the specs that were added to this vehicle. Starting with the wheel and tire package, this is a hostile forged wheel. It's a super beast. The size is a 24x14 with a -76 offset. So you're gonna get that nice deep dish look with this wheel. It's gonna have your exposed lugs, so the chrome spiked lug nuts are gonna look great with this wheel. The tire is a Nitto trail grappler. It's a 375/40/24, so it's gonna be a nice aggressive tire with your wheel. It looks great on this F-250. Your lift is going to be a 6-inch zone radius suspension lift. It also has a dual stabilizer as well. And your running boards are going to be your wheel-to-wheel Nerf boards from Rough Country. If you guys like this truck, make sure you check out our inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number for this vehicle is F18655. If you want to build your truck like this, make sure you check out our Facebook page at Kreitz Customs or visit our website at KreitzCustoms.com and check out our gallery.